Welcome to Take a Lipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Nvidia drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your browser, and on Google, just search for download Nvidia drivers. Then just search for this. Just go to the first link, which is from nvidia.com itself. Then just wait for it to load. And from here, you need to select the driver of your graphics card. So just select the model of your graphics card. I have a GeForce. Then select the series. I have a 10 series. And then select the model. I have the GT1030. Then select your Windows version. We have the Windows 10 64. If you have the 32-bit version, select that. Then select the language and click on Find. Then just wait patiently. It's gonna find the software for you. And there you go. It has found the version 581.29 for me. I'll just click on View. And then I'll just click on Download. Now, I'm already downloading it, as you can see right here. So I'll just wait till it finishes downloading it. And after the driver has successfully downloaded, just click on it. And it will open. You can minimize your browser. Click on Yes if it asks for administrator permission. Then just click on OK. It will extract it for you. Just wait till it extracts it. And after that has been done, just give it some time and it will open the Nvidia installer itself. From here, just select what you want to install. If you want to install the graphics driver as well as the Nvidia app, select the top one. If you just want the graphics driver, select the bottom one. I'll select the bottom one for now and click on Agree and Continue. Then select Express or Custom Installation. I'll select Express and click on Next. Then just give it some time. It will install the drivers for you. And after the installation has been done, just click on Close and restart your PC. And basically that is how to download and install Nvidia graphics drivers on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.